Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Girish BB. Currently I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Semester 3 from the Department of Information Science and Engineering. The subject is OPS with Java. In this video we are going to discuss about the most important topic in Java, that is inheritance. First we should discuss about the introduction of inheritance. Here, inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows one class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class. It is a mechanism that promotes code reuse and the creation of a hierarchy of classes, making it easier to organize the managed code in a modular and efficient manner. The class that provides the properties and behaviors is known as the parent or base class, while the class that inherits from it is called the child or derived class. The child class automatically gains access to the attributes and methods of the parent class, and it can also extend or override them to suit its specific needs. Then creating a subclass. Extends keyword. In Java, the keyword we use extends is to create a subclass, it indicating that the new class inherits from an existing class. The syntax follows the format class subclass extend superclass. Overriding methods. When creating a subclass, it's possible to override methods from the superclass, providing a new implementations based on the specific requirements of the subclass. Then next, syntax of inheritance. Syntax inheritance refers to the concept in programming languages where a new programming language or variant inherits the syntax of an existing language. This allows developers to leverage their familiarity with the original language while introducing new features or changes in the inherited language. An example in TypeScript inheriting the syntax of JavaScript. Single inheritance is a type of inheritance in object-oriented programming where a class can inherit properties and behaviors from only one single parent class. In other words, each class can have at most one immediate superclass. This creates a linear or hierarchical relationship between classes. The next, multiple inheritance. Java supports multiple inheritance through interfaces, while Java classes can only inherit from a single class. They can implement multiple inheritance. An interface in Java is a collection of abstract methods. Methods without a body that a class can implement. By implementing multiple interfaces, a class can inherit behavior from multiple sources. You can see the examples of multiple inheritance here. The next topic, type multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is a type of inheritance in object-oriented programming where a class inherits from a parent class and another class inherits from the derived class. This creates a chain or inheritance with multiple levels or layers. Each class in the chain house has both a parent and a child, passing down properties and behaviors to subsequent classes. Then fourth type, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is a type of inheritance in object-oriented programming language where the multiple classes inherit from a single base or parent class. You can see the example of here. In this structure, the base class means the class A serves as a common instance for several derived classes like class B, class C, class D, class C, class E, class F, like this. Each derived classes inherit properties and behaviors from the same parent class but may have its own additional features of modifications. You can see class A divides into class B, class C, and class B is class D, class C. This is the ancestor main class. This is the derived classes of class A. Class B, class C are derived classes. In the class B, class D and class E are derived classes, and class C, F and class G, they both are derived classes. Then next, hybrid inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is a type of inheritance in object-oriented programming language. In this structure, the base class serves a common instance for several derived classes, creating a hierarchy. Each derived class inherits properties and behaviors from the same parent class, but may have its own additional features of modifications. You can see here class A, its class B, class C, class D, its reverse order. Derived class is derived the base class. Base class is the derived class of A. Class A is the derived class here. The next, characteristics of inheritance. First, code reusability. Definition: inheritance promotes the reuse of code from existing classes in new classes. A subclass can inherit attributes and methods from a superclass, reducing redundancy and making the code more modular. The next, polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common base class. Explanation: inheritance facilities polymorphism, enabling a program to work with objects of multiple classes through a common interface, such as a shared base class or interface. The next, extensibility. Definition: inheritance allows for the extension of existing classes by adding new attributes and methods in derived classes. Explanation: new functionality can be added to a system without modifying the existing code, promoting a modular and scalable design. The next, maintainability. Definition: inheritance contributes to the maintainability of a code by organizing it in a hierarchical and structured manner. Explanation: the hierarchical structure of classes makes it easier to understand and maintain the code as a group put together. Method overriding. Inheritance allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation for method that is already there in the derived classes. The subclass can override the behavior of a method inherited from the superclass to suit its own customization. The next, sixth one, encapsulation. Inheritance supports encapsulation by bundling data and methods within a class. The derived class inherits the encapsulated features of the base class, promoting data hiding and protecting the internal state of objects. The next, single inheritance. In single inheritance, a class can inherit from only one immediate parent class. This ensures a linear hierarchy and simplifies the relationship between classes but may limit flexibility in some scenarios. The next, multiple inheritance. In languages like Java, which supports interfaces, multiple inheritance is achieved by implementing multiple interfaces. A class can inherit behavior from multiple sources through interfaces, allowing for greater flexibility in code design. The next, multi-level inheritance. A multi-level inheritance, a class inherits from a parent class and another class inherits from the derived class, creating a chain of inheritance. This hierarchical structure allows for the creation of levels or layers of inheritance with each class serving as both parent and child. Hierarchical inheritance is multiple classes inherit from a single base or parent class. This structure creates a hierarchy where multiple derived classes share a common base class and organization and reuse. The next, conclusion. Last, inheritance in Java is a crucial mechanism that contributes to the creation of well-organized, reusable, and extensible code. It plays a central role in the principles of object-oriented design, providing a foundation for building complex and maintainable software systems. However, it's important to use inheritance judiciously, considering design principles and potential trade-offs to achieve a balance between flexibility and simplicity in software development. Thank you for watching my video.